Never order before your date does. Not because it's polite, because your brain starts making these decisions long before the conversation becomes interesting. Most people believe attraction begins when two people start talking. It doesn't. It begins the moment you sit down. Before a single word is spoken, your brain is already looking for patterns. Who seems comfortable? Who seems impatient? Who looks like they've done this 100 times? And who looks like they're hoping everything goes well? The fascinating part is, nobody consciously notices these things, but your brain does. It collects dozens of tiny signals and turns them into one conclusion. How does this person make me feel? Behavioral psychologists call this thin slicing. The brain forms surprisingly accurate first impressions, using only seconds of observation. And once that impression exists, it becomes incredibly difficult to change. That's why confidence is rarely something people hear. It's something they quietly assume. Now think about what happens when the server arrives. One person immediately reaches for the menu, starts reading, starts asking questions, changes their mind twice. The other simply pauses, looks up, takes a moment, then orders. Neither person is trying to communicate confidence, but one of them accidentally does. Because calm behavior tells the brain something powerful. This person doesn't feel pressure, and people instinctively trust those who don't seem pressured by the moment they're in. That's why you should never order first. Not because waiting is attractive, not because it's mysterious, because every unnecessary rush quietly tells the other person's brain that this moment matters more to you than it does to them. They'll forget what you ordered. They'll forget what the waiter looked like. They'll probably even forget parts of the conversation. But they'll remember one thing: how it felt to sit across from you.